So I just paint primer and then I'm going to paint red. So after drying, there's not that much, so I'll wait. It's not that much hurry thing, so I'm going to wait for this to dry. So guys, I got some brake bleeder. Let us unbox it. I don't know if we're going to fit. Let us check that. So I got a brake flusher. Okay, you can flush by this your brake for a fun Ford. I think for all Ford. So this is mine's 2003 Ford 250. So I don't know this one. I want to try this one. Going to fit or not? So I'm gonna open this one and try it. So they give you extra seal. So that thing gets good too. So let me go up there and then let me try this one work or not. So it'll fit nice and tight. So because of the seal, it's not easy to put on because of if there's a leak, it'll be bad. So it works. I'll put everything back. Okay, so it works. So perfect. So yeah. So let me order the parts and then going to paint. So we're going to after this. I'm just waiting for this to dry, and then yeah. Hello guys, I'm back. I got the net from Spicer. Here it is. So I'm going to put it right today. Hopefully it's going to not happening again. I put the brakes both sides, so I'm going to take the net out again. And hopefully it's not going to crack again. So hopefully let us see. So let us take the old one and put this one the new one. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Alrighty, let's take it off. Because of the seal, I think was cracked before too. Nobody saw it, so but you can't tell if it is cracked or not. This one cracked over here. Where you put your tool. All the time cracked over there. Let me see the new one from I get from what's AutoZone. That one is cracked different place, but next to it. There is this one over here, it's down here. The old one was down here. So yeah. So let's put this one. Okay, so let me do a reverse. Let me see this one, how much it is this one. See enough. So 5 clicks reverse. one. So we're good. Now I'll bring the axle and put it back. Okay, so hopefully today we're going to finish it. So now I'm going to clean my axle because it was, I would say, 3 weeks or 4 weeks it was not put on. So let me clean it by a brake cleaner. Then I'm going to put it on. Just clean it by a brake cleaner. I'm going to put it back. Okay. Over here, it's hard to put. Last time you saw it on that side. It was hard to put it on. Nope, it'll be the same thing. It's hard to figure out where it goes. Okay, it is kind of complicated how to put it on, but you will figure it out. I would say it's not that much hard. So let me bring my bolts. So yeah, all in. Alrighty. $80mm, so I'm going to torque it. I'm going to torque it 37. So I can find on internet the torque spec. And then they say 90 degree. I'm not going to do 90 degree because I don't know, I'm not sure how much it is, the torque spec. So I need to hold the foot brake. Now let me put the spacer, and then I'm going to brake flush. So guys, okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For this video all done. Now I'm going to do the brakes. So that video is different. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe.